everyone, welcome to this quick HTML basic tutorial. I'll show you how to create a simple web page using Visual Studio Code. First, you have to make a folder, and once you have made the folder, you can open it in Visual Studio Code. Select the folder you just made. Once you select the folder, make a new file in that folder. You can name your file anything. I'm going to be naming it new.html. Start by typing what I am typing right now. Once you have typed this basically tells the browser we are using the latest HTML version. Next, open the HTML tag. The HTML tag wraps the whole page. Then open the head section. Inside the head section, add the title tag. You can give a name to your web page. I'm going to be giving it, this is my first page. Once you have given your web page a title, the title will show in the browser tab. After the head, add the body tag. This is where all the visible content goes. Now let's add a heading using the h1 tag. Headings come in different sizes from h1, which is the biggest, down to h6, which is the smallest. Use headings to organize your content. Under the heading tag, add a paragraph using the p tag. Inside your paragraph, you can introduce about you or introduce more about your website. For reference, I'm just going to type a single line. Paragraph tags hold regular text on the page. That's it. You have successfully written the basic structure of an HTML page. Now, to preview your page, there are two ways. Either you can download the extension named Live Server. To do this, on the sidebar you will see this icon. Click on this icon and type in Live Server. Quickly download the Live Server extension. Once you have downloaded the Live Server extension, it will be shown right over here. Click it and it will take you to your outcome. You can view your outcome over here. This is the heading that you used and this is the paragraph that you wrote. Now I'll show you the second way of how to preview your page. Simply go to Visual Studio Code and click on the file. Then you have to click on Save As. Once you have clicked on Save As, you have to give your website a name, like the file name. So I'm just going to type new. Now, if you don't type the extension .html, your file won't be saved. So you have to make sure that you type .html and then click on save. Once you have done that, you can go to File Explorer and double click on the file you just saved. Then you can preview your file. That's it. The quick HTML basic tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.